Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Brianna, and I'm back with another video for you guys, my lovers. So in today's video, I'm really excited because I'm going to be filming my back to school clothing haul for 2018. You guys love these videos. I love filming these videos. Hauls are like probably my favorite videos to watch on YouTube. I don't know about you guys, but today I'll be showing you guys the clothes that I got for the school year and stuff that I'm loving, stuff that I'll be wearing, you know, styling, profiling up in here. Also, be sure to stay tuned till the end of the video to find out more information on how you guys can enter my back to school favorites clothing haul giveaway that I'm doing with DOTE shopping. All the links will be in the description box as well as the details, but be sure to stay tuned to the end of the video to find more information on that. But without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and get into the video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already and turn on my notifications because my back to school series is still going, so you guys can be notified whenever I post a new video in this month and next month. So I went to so many stores. I went to Urban Outfitters, Target, Old Navy, and American Eagle, and then Hollister. If you guys didn't know, homegirl works at Hollister now, so I get a little bit of a discount. So a lot of my stuff is from there, so I think I'm probably just gonna start with there first. So here is my ginormous bag from Hollister. I'm gonna try to go as smoothly as I can because this is a lot of stuff and I'm not trying to make this video 20 million years long because I don't want to bore you guys to death, even though I love you. But yeah, so the first thing that I got from Hollister is this bralette, and you know we love a good bralette. A sister loves a good bralette. I don't know, I just feel like itty bitty titty committee over here. I used to never really be comfortable in bralettes. Now I'm a little bit more comfortable, so I got this one and it looks like this, and it has a cross back or racer back. I don't know, growing up I've always called it like a cross back, but it's really comfortable and it has pads so your titties won't go flying out everywhere, and it can kind of just like hold them in, you know what I mean? So I got this to wear because I feel like blue is a real nice transition color into fall. Next thing that I got was this red shirt. It looks like this and it gives me Tommy Hilfiger vibes like all the way. I seriously love this. It's super soft cotton and it's kind of cropped, so I wear it with some leggings or some high-waisted jeans, or you could tie it and make it like super cropped. So I feel like it's a really good transition piece because you could still wear it in the summer, you could still wear it in the fall. You guys already know I could not leave the store without getting a cardigan. Cardigans are something that I get every single year because again, it's a really nice transition piece. It's something that's just like, I don't know, it's probably one of my favorite staple pieces and I always have to have it. So I got this one from Hollister. It looks like this. It's cream colored. I actually got this on the clearance, $19.99. Y'all already know, saving money out here. But yeah, it has pockets, which I really like because I love putting my hands in my pockets and like putting a bunch of crap in my pockets that doesn't really need to be there, but you know, I do it anyways. And then the next thing that I got was this cropped tank top, and it also is like the racer back style, so I will wear this with the strapless bra, or if I'm really want to free the nipple, I might not even wear a bra, but don't tell anyone that. Anyways, it looks like this and it's really stretchy cotton. I really like this. I'm usually like an extra small, but I got a small in this one because it was a bit stretchy and I didn't want it to fit like super skin tight. So I really like the way this dips like by the arm. It's really flattering to like the chest area, so it looks really cute and it's cropped. It goes with a bunch of different stuff and it also goes with the sweater. You can put a cardigan over it, or you could dress it down and put a flannel just to give a more casual look. Literally, this is so bad. I didn't realize how many sweaters I got, but I also got another sweater from Hollister. I got this one because I got the white one to go with the blue bralette, so I wear it with like the blue bralette under it, and I got it in a medium, so it does fit a little bit big on me because I don't know about you guys, but in the fall I just feel like when I wear a big sweater I just feel cozy. I don't know, is that just me? Like I just feel like I'm gonna cuddle up by a fire. Next thing I got from Hollister is kind of still in the season of summer. It looks like this. This was like on the final few rack, and I got this because I don't really own anything like this top, and I figured I could pair it with a pair of white jeans or white shorts. You know, when you go back to school and it's like still a little hot and you don't know if you want to pull out the jeans yet, you don't know if you want to pull out the cardigan yet, so you're kind of in between. That's what this top was for me. It looks like this and it's red with white stripes, and then it has a bow on the back like this. I seriously love it. I like the fit. I got it in a size bigger so it would just fit a little bit bigger, but yeah, I really like this top. So the next thing I got was a pair of shorts. I got the boyfriend style shorts. I'd been eyeing these for a long time and I finally bought them, but they're a light wash with rips on the front, and I just really like the way the rips are placed, and then they have like a small rip on the back pocket, and I just love the way these fit me. They fit me like a glove, and I love when my shorts fit me just right because I hate it when they're too big, but then I also hate it when they're like super tight to where I can't breathe. But these are kind of like a nice medium, like it's in the middle, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna be popping and it makes the booty look good, so you already know know that's good. Next thing that I got from Hollister was this dress, and I seriously love it. It's not something that I would normally buy, which is what I love. So I stepped out of my comfort zone with this dress because I never usually would like this fit, because I never would usually like how high it fit up on the boobs, but for some reason I love the way this dress fits, and I just love the style of it. Again, it's super soft cotton material. It's so soft. I like the colors of it because I feel like these scream fall to me, and with the cream colored cardigan it would look really good. So I absolutely love this dress. I think it's a great transition piece. And lastly, from Hollister, I got this camo cropped hoodie. You guys know it would not be a BriannaxBeautyx haul if I didn't have a hoodie in there. It's fun. I love it. It goes with everything, and yeah, it's super soft, which is great. The next store that I went to was American Eagle, and you guys know it's not an American Eagle shopping trip without a pair of jeans, so literally the only thing I got was jeans. The first pair that I got were a pair of their super stretch high-rise jean jeggings. I love these so much. They're so stretchy, and I just love the rips in them. I ordered these online because yes, your sis did have to get an extra long because I'm so tall, but yeah, I love these so much. I love the way they make my body look. They fit my legs really nicely. Again, they're just a dark wash with some rips in them, and I like them because they just literally go with everything. And then the next pair of jeans I actually got for free because I had a coupon to get a pair of jeans for free, because I guess I had bought like 4 jeans and you get the 5th one free or something like that. So I got this pair, and it's again the high-rise jean jegging. I seriously love these because they have so many rips in them, and I don't know, I don't have a dress code that I have to follow by, so I can just really kind of wear whatever I want. But I love these jeans because of all the rips, and yeah, it's great. Homegirl had to go to Target, and I was actually decently surprised at the amount of stuff that Target had. I was so impressed. So the first thing that I got was, yeah, you guessed it, another cardigan. It looks like this, and it's maroon, and it's just so comfy. Like, I just want to cuddle up with this cardigan because I love it so much, but it's maroon. I got it in a medium, so it would fit a little bit oversized, and then it also has pockets. Again, the whole pocket thing, like, it's just in for me right now. It's probably one of my favorite trends, is like super baggy cardigans with pockets so you can stick your hands in them. So I love it so much, and it's gonna go with so much stuff, I can already tell. Next from Target, I also got some sandals, and I've been eyeing these sandals forever. They're these black sandals I got from that same like universal thread brand, and these were only $15. And for a pair of sandals, that's seriously not bad, and they go with literally everything. I can put it with jeans, I can put it with leggings, I can put it with literally any outfit. So I really like this because the black goes with everything, and they're so cute, and they're actually pretty comfortable. So 10 out of 10 Target. You did good. Next, I went to Urban Outfitters because you guys already know that is seriously one of my favorite stores. I got a pair of the mom shorts because I love these so much. I got them in the denim color. I really like these. I had to size up in the denim color because I also have them in this black color over here. So I got both the black and the denim color. I got a 24 in the black, but I had to get a 25 in the denim. So kind of keep that in mind if you guys are wanting to purchase these shorts, that the denim color runs a little bit tighter. But I love these shorts. These ones are super high rise, and then the black ones for some reason sit a little bit lower, but I still love both of these shorts, and yeah, they're a nice transition piece. They fit really good. So I then caved and I bought another tube top. You guys probably saw in my summer haul that I got tube tops from Urban Outfitters as well, but I love this one because it's a lilac purple color, and then I also got it in this burnt orange color because I don't know, burnt orange just like screams fall to me, and I love this color, and it also goes really well with like the cream cardigan that I got. So you know, we styling out here, we putting pieces together. And then it's not a back to school clothing haul for me if I don't have a pair of Vans. I think literally for the past like 4 years I've had at least 1 to 2 pairs of Vans in every single one of my back to school hauls. So I got this pair from Urban Outfitters as well. These were online exclusives. I haven't seen these in the store, but they're the old school Vans and the camo and black color. I've been looking for these everywhere, and they finally had my size in them. I love them so much because they can go with like a pair of jeans and a black shirt and maybe like a white flannel, but I seriously love these shoes. They're some of my favorites. I can't get over how dope they look, so they're awesome. Last thing from Urban Outfitters I got was this button-up denim dress, and I seriously love this. I've worn it in a few videos, and it is seriously one of my favorite pieces because it's super stretchy, it fits really nicely, it makes everything look good, it hugs my body, so it's one of my favorites that I probably picked up. And it's like different because it is kind of cutesy and girly, but you can kind of dress it up to make it look a little bit more edgy, which I like. Last place that I went to was Old Navy, and this is usually not a store that I shop shop at, but I saw some of this stuff and I literally just had to buy it. Like, I could not say no. So the first thing that I got, if I can even get it undone, is this shirt that says coffee and confidence, because if I have not found a shirt that is any more me, like, I get coffee every day. I'm all about positivity and confidence. Like, this shirt is so me. And then to go with it, I got this cardigan, and it actually got it in a size large because it was something that ran like really cropped. Like, it was a cropped cardigan, so I got it in a large so it would fit me bigger, and I actually got it to go with that shirt. And then I got this gray tank top that I figured I could wear with like the maroon cardigan just to, like, you know, color coordinate. So yeah, I love this. It's so soft, super stretchy. It's definitely like more like a lazy day outfit for me, which I love. And then last but not least, I have one more thing to complete my clothing haul. I went to the Vans store and I went into the clearance section and I found this men's shirt. I got it in a large again because I just love the men's section, y'all. Like, I just can't. Like, literally, this shirt from Hollister is literally from the men's section, and I also got this. This is kind of like, I'm throwing this in there, but it's super baggy. Love just how, like, edgy this looks. I wear it as a dress sometimes because it's super long, or I can just pair it with jeans. But besides the point, I also got this shirt from Vans, and it's maroon. Again, my favorite color for fall. So if you guys are interested in winning the giveaway, I'm running a giveaway right now with DOTE Shopping where I'm showing you guys some of my back to school favorites. The giveaway information will be linked in the description box down below. It should go live in a few days after I post this video, so be sure to follow me at BriannaxBeautyx on DOTE Shopping to be notified when I do the giveaway for you guys, so you can enter and win some awesome favorites that I like and I want to share with you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you so much. Comment down some video ideas down below. Do you guys want to see a back to school makeup tutorial, or do you guys want to see a back to school get ready with me? Let me know and I will do it for you because I want to know what you guys want to see most. So I love you guys all so much. Don't forget to subscribe down below and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.